Okay, guys, I received a phone call from an individual that is well known in the community here that's having some issues with the air conditioning unit at their home. So I said, yeah, I'll come over and take a look at that. So I figured y'all come ride with me. Let's go. Okay, we got a no cooling call here. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Y'all see what I see right there? Look at that wire right there. See that right here? Look at that. Wow. This is an old R22 system. I've worked on it a couple times before. Wow. Look at that. Look how dirty this coil is. Man, that thing is dirty. Phase off that. Man. Man. Okay, I'm going to check our capacitor. shorted out the ground. We'll lead off there. Set up our meter. Microfarad. Okay. Here, but this needs to be strapped. Let's see what we got on this one. This is Herm or capacitor, compressor, and this one is for the fan. I've already shorted it out. That one is running right at 7. Okay. Probably gonna replace that. Okay, we have to strap this here. Looks like this one got hot too. Yeah, it's probably gonna be all right. Unfortunately, I was not able to capture all the data on that repair. My camera powered off and I just could not power it back on. But I want to go ahead and release what I did capture because I find it important, because I believe in HVAC diversity, equity, inclusion. Every system has the right to work, and I want to make sure I help this system do that. So in the end, we went ahead and cleaned the condenser coil. We fixed the terminal on the wire, and we strapped the capacitor down where it should be, and the system is back up and running and doing its job. And I appreciate you hanging with me, and we have more adventures coming down the road. I would appreciate again if you would just like and subscribe. If you have a comment, please post it. I'd love to hear it. And until we meet again, take care. Bye.